Why skipping sleep might ruin your fat loss. I know you have heard 1,000 times the advice of sleep more, rest better, make sure you don't skip sleep, make sure you fit in at least 7, 8 or 9 hours of sleep per night. And the thing is that you're not going to wake up heavier or fatter the next day once you are sleep deprived, but one study have shown that even one night of poor sleep, of poor quality sleep, is going to have significant impact on your body, mood, and further things I'm going to discuss now. Sleep doesn't have a direct impact on your fat loss or body weight, but it affects some factors that have a really important role in your fat loss and your body regulation. So a lack of sleep directly impacts this part of your brain called the amygdala, that is responsible for your mood, decision making, rational thinking, for your motivation. And whenever you skip sleep, you're going to feel a little bit moody. You're not going to resist all the food temptations, you're more prone to taking wrong decisions, your will be depleted a lot faster, and by the end of the day you might find yourself eating the wrong foods or the wrong quantities of foods. So sleep also affects your hunger and satiety hormones in a way that your hunger hormones increase and your satiety hormones decrease, thus making you feel a lot more hungrier throughout the day. And even when you have a meal, you don't feel that full as usual. And there's also another thing that your body usually craves a lot more sugary and fatty foods, and it also absorbs them a lot less than usual. It digests carbohydrates a lot less, and what this means for you is that not only you're going to crave a lot more sugary and fatty snacks, and although you're giving them to your body, it will not receive the signals that you're giving them, and it will continue to crave them. Another way in which lack of sleep actually ruins your calorie deficit is that you're going to feel a lot more tired, and you're more prone to decreasing your activity throughout the day or your NEAT levels, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which means that you're going to feel a lot more lazy, you will prefer to sit during the day, you're not going to fidget that much, and you just are going to spare your energy unconsciously. I really hope that you have understood why sleep is that important, and if you like this video, you might also like my other video where I share how you can actually improve your sleep step by step.